This is where Dina fits perfect if things get hot. Just lock Dina up in there and send her to the bottom of the Hudson. You're not supposed to hear that part. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
It is Monday.
It is.
And we are on our grind.
Mm-hmm.
The goal today is we're back in the shoe hunt. Maybe some hard goods?
Yeah, maybe some hard goods.
Well,
why not?
Mix it up.
We're out here. Might as well take advantage of the
day
before they shut everything down and we can't do anything.
That's right. And then we stay home and we got to list and then unlist and relist things.
So anyhow, today's video is going to be, again, our journey of sourcing.
Yep.
And showing you guys what we find. Also, I guess hard goods we're going to do today.
Yeah, we're going to try. See, our goal, Dina and I have a little plan, right? Is to get as much as we can in the next coming days.
Yeah.
Just in case we start closing some non-essential places here.
Right.
As
they are talking about it.
It's been, a couple of counties south from us have already doing it. So it's, it's only a matter of time before we suffer the same.
Right.
So we're trying to get as much as we can, so that we have something to list every day.
Right. So that's our goal.
Let's go. So
guys, we went to the Via Thrift.
Yeah.
And this is what we found. We found these Bionics. Super cute clogs. $30.
Okay.
We didn't pay $30, and I'll explain in a minute.
Yes, please do. While you explain, I'll try to show them again because I don't think I have a good shot of. These are nice. These are new, right?
Brand new.
Cool.
And we found these Eastland sandals, and they
Eastland.
were, what were they?
$12.
12.
Everything's 12 unless it's priced.
And they were brand new.
And these are new as well. We saw one comping for what, Dina? $64. Cool.
So this is what we had they give us like a coupon card.
Right.
And I think it was like if you spend like 20 or more. Is it 20 or more?
Yes.
I forget what it is.
It's every time you spend 20 they stamp it.
Right.
And I think it's after 10 times you get $20.
So it's something like this. So if you spend
but we've lost these.
So we just stamped.
This is cash and we've lost it.
Yeah, we did, but I did find one and we had them all stamped. So we saved $20.
So our total spend on these should have been $52.
Yes.
And we paid $20. Because
and these were 30 brand new. So
wait a minute. She did bad math.
I think because we paid $20.
Right. Unless we missed a sale, unless something was on sale and we didn't catch it.
You know what? I think these were 10, not 12.
Okay, so had we not had a coupon, that should have been a $40 spend minus 20. Oh, I see. So the sandals were 10.
What, $20 off?
Right.
So we only paid 20 for this haul. So
correct.
Basically we got the so each sandal is what?
No, it's $10 a pair. We could look at it that way.
Right.
$10 a pair.
$10.
So those Bionics that sell for north of 50 or around 50 are now $10.
Right.
Where we would have passed up because 30 is too much.
Yes. So we waited for the coupon. That's what we did because we were hoping to get like fry boots, but they didn't have any.
Fries are gone.
Fry sneakers, but they were too small and they weren't comping nice.
Okay.
So we chose a Bionic clogs instead.
So 2 in the bag.
2. Yeah. 2
Let's go.
Now let's go to the next one.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Boom. These are probably going back.
What are they?
These are the Clark Prevos.
Oh, okay.
Remember we talked about that? We always leave them behind. Probably going back. I don't even know what the price is. $10. That's
Nice
much.
Tims though.
This. By the way, we got slim kickings. Prices are up. I think they're starting to feel the lack of donations. Boom.
Those are nice.
Boom. But look at that.
How much?
I told you, it's the magic number.
It's going up.
I love that.
Is that all?
Yeah.
So here
What do you got?
mine.
Well,
I have
Vanna.
the Clarks. Remember we sold those just recently, but I don't know if
Steppers.
it's worth the price though.
$10.
Yeah, I'm not sure. What do you think?
We gotta check.
We just sold a pair of these like this, comfy, cozy Clarks.
You know,
I found these Toms.
they look nice like this, but look at the heel. Over here too.
Yeah, you see that there?
Yeah,
Yeah, see?
I would leave these.
Yeah, so those are
The
not good.
the only decent pairs that were priced.
Priced right.
But
So those stay. And I found these.
What are these?
Dance clothes.
Nice. Fine.
A little
Big.
big, but
Big.
look at this
Oh,
price.
no, they're 41. Didn't you have someone looking for 41s? That's true.
I think so, yeah. But look at the price, though.
Okay.
$11.40.
So you gotta get it north of 30 for them.
Yeah.
Actually 40.
But they look like in good condition, right?
Yes. That's good.
So those are keeper.
Yeah.
So I think I'm getting those too.
Okay.
And these guys are gonna go back.
I don't think these are coming with. These would be a good $7, $5 pair.
Yeah.
Not 10. They're going back.
Double check these guys.
The camera's
Little
in good.
paint there. I could just take that off. Magic eraser. Heels look good.
There you go.
And here they look good. Let's look on the inside. They look good around. Just a little thing here. It's not so bad. They look good. I'm pondering. I think I'm just gonna leave them because for $10.
Paying up a little bit?
Yeah, I just don't think.
They don't stand out enough, right?
No, we did sell a pair of these, but we didn't pay 10 for them.
How much did you sell them for? Do you remember?
So I'm just gonna put those back. How do they look?
These are decent looking
I think they'll,
Timberlands.
and I think they'll go on the marketplace.
They're very good
and
size.
Poshy.
They're in good shape, so I'm gonna check them for quality. I'm taking them because I'll be happy with $49.99.
Yeah.
Even though we're paying $11.47.
Right.
Still a good flip. Forget 100. Not even looking at
Yeah,
that.
they look great.
Yeah. Timberland Earthkeepers.
And what size?
Size 11.
11, even
So I
better.
can actually keep these.
I think
Boom.
that's his plan.
Keep pushing. I'm looking at this guy. Do you see what I see? I don't even know what it is. But if it's a solar, and I'm sorry guys, I'm zooming you in like there's no way to really back up. It is a daylight. And if you guys know anything about my weirdness, this thing about daylights. Oh, that was gonna break. I used to find a lot of these guys right here. These Verilux lights. Again, they I guess mimic sunlight. And I used to sell them. I think I'm sitting on one now. So, by the way, guys, say hi to Dina with her ducks. Dina found ducks. Cool.
He kind of looks down.
Ah, he's a depressed duck. All right.
Yeah.
So the lamp I showed you guys earlier, it's basically these are daylight lamps. It's just a bigger version of that Verilux. Brand new, 200. A little all over the place with the pre-owns, but somewhere around 60.
Okay, so they're selling for 60
50
bucks.
to 60.
And
Right?
we paid what? We're gonna pay $7 for it.
$6.99 for it,
That's good.
plus shipping. So we can take that.
And it's called Daylight
It's
Sky.
Daylight.
Sky.
Sky. The model is DL2000CA. I mean, chance of you finding one. If you see something that looks like this, comp it. The other thing we got here is Dina comp this guy. It's a receiver. Optimus is the brand.
And it's the STA300.
Okay. And you were getting comps for 50?
Yeah, $50.
45 to 60, something like that. Not that heavy.
And it's only
And it's only $5.
$5.
But again, this is all a question of testing these, so I gotta get my hands around that. Figuring out how to test them. So, last but not least,
Oh yeah, I got them.
also a Dina find. And this is strange that Goodwill actually wrote works. So someone tested it, but we still gotta test it. $6.99. It's a Carousel 800 Kodak. So it's a vintage projector.
Yeah.
It looks like everything. The remote is in there.
Yeah, remote's in there.
And this other
thing.
piece, the cord is in here. $7. Comps, again, a little messy, all over the place, but $100, right?
Yeah.
At least, minimum.
Minimum.
No, about 100. Let's average it to 100. So, 3 things costing us about $20.
Yeah.
Could possibly make, I don't know, 200.
Right. $20 turning into 200.
Yeah, take that all day,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Keep in mind this is storage. This thing is not easy to store. So that's it.
But that's it. So guys, here's our cart. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 pairs. 9 keepers here, right?
Yeah, nice. Good job, babe. You did all those.
So
guys, I found this DeLonghi, I think it's DeLonghi combo. So it's a dripper and an espresso. $20. The kicker is it's dirty. So there's a lot of cleaning, and I'm lazy. I don't like to clean anything. So not only do I have to test it, I have to clean it. But the comps are from 80 to $100. So by the time we're done shopping, I'll ponder whether I take it. If you see it in the cart or in the video, then you know I've taken it. Hi, Dina. What do you think?
Okay.
Would you say that was a success,
yeah,
Dina?
with the shoes.
You got 9 pairs of shoes and a coffee machine. And Dina, the struggle is real.
Anyhow, we spent how much here?
99. This was a big spend here. I think that was 99.
We spent $99, and I think between the coffee machine and because the coffee machine was $20, so I think the coffee machine, that alone, will make our money back, if not more. Correct?
Yes.
And some of the shoes too, all those dance shoes.
Yeah, a ton of Danskos.
Yeah, so that was a good thing with the dance shoes.
All right.
So let's, I guess, on to the next.
On to the next.
All right,
We gone?
keep pushing.
Hey guys.
Whoop, jinx. Hey guys, so we're back.
We are.
We're back. And we had a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I think we showed you a lot of stuff. Or
Yeah.
we're going to show you a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we got a lot of shoes. We went to Via Thrift and the 2 Goodwills today. Yeah. Found a lot of electronics and shoes. I think the one Goodwill had like great selection of shoes. But
We
yeah,
did okay with the shoes today.
We did.
Like, okay. I think, I don't know, 13, 14 pairs? I know that's weak. But you gotta understand, right? It was only 4 places?
Yeah, because we're trying to stay local right now.
We gotta
with
stay
all the
local.
craziness
We're
that's
limited to where we
happening.
could drive. We're flanked by 2 counties that are like on, like, not lockdown, but getting there.
Yeah.
And so
So
that knocks out half of our sourcing places.
we have to make the best of what we have.
Gotta make it work. No excuses. We'll go online. We'll go Garage. We'll go local.
Yeah, that's our next step too.
Whatever
We're
it
thinking
takes.
of doing OA.
The
But,
push continues.
But yeah, I think for today, I think that one item alone we spent, it was $20, and it was where on the comps it was.
Was that the coffee machine? What are you talking about?
No, the light, the lamp.
The sunlight, the daylight.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not 20.
No, but I think that and something else, the projector thing.
Yes.
I think between those 2.
I think all 3. There was 3 items we spent. We bought the Kodak projector. We bought the daylight sky, whatever that model is, and we bought one other thing, the receiver, the Optimus
I think so.
receiver.
Yeah.
Those 3 things. We spent $21 or so, 24, let's say.
Right, and they were all
Over
comping
50.
Over $50.
One was close to 100. The projector was 100.
Yeah.
Let's say 80.
I think we said 200 with everything.
Yeah.
Those 3 items. So
But gross sales would be
Right.
like 200.
So
You know,
just those
obviously there's
3 items
fees.
alone.
Yeah. Good.
200.
It's a $24 flip to maybe 200. You know.
Right, and then plus our shoes.
Our
that
shoes,
we found.
14 pairs of shoes. We got a ton of Danskos, as you probably
that
saw
alone
or are seeing currently. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
6 pairs of Danskos. And some, what's the other one? The Dansko-esque ones with the S, Sanita.
Found a Sanita brand, looks new.
No, yeah, those are the best pair we got all day today. And they got some Timberlands.
Yeah.
So we did okay on the
good with
shoe.
the shoes,
Didn't get the quantity, but we got the quality out of it. So and we paid up a little bit sometimes. So 14 pairs of shoes.
14 pairs of shoes. I don't know how many electronics.
3 to 4. I think 4 including the coffee. Right.
Okay.
4 hard goods.
So overall priced $165 we spent.
I think.
And expected profits of
$435.
$435 average.
Yeah, so that's good.
Right.
Low on the shoe count. We typically try to aim 30 pairs of shoes, but that's gonna be a challenge for the next couple of weeks, and we're okay with it.
Right.
So
if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you didn't, it's okay. Give us a thumbs down. But don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, because by subscribing, you motivate us to do more videos for you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Keep pushing.
Keep pushing.